welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to disable all AI in VS Code. So guys, if you want to disable the AI like your Copilot in your VS Code, so guys, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all, you simply go to your extension because AI need the extensions. When you go here, so guys, simply go and search for the Copilot. Okay, after that, here it shows the extension. Go and click here. Currently, here you see disable AI features. Okay, now here you see this is my session of my AI. So now, if I want to disable, so I'm just click here and disable all AI features. Okay, so this is the simple way that I can do. So, guys, thank you and have a nice day.